Stock market is rigged. We're looking at NVIDIA 8/23/2024, Jerome Powell Day. Two really good bull bombs at the open. It's a 41.67% win rate, 62.50 last 30 days. You get 83% coming up to right here. And this is why it's rigged. 129 is 3 strikes up because we open right at basically 126. 1, 2, 3 comes back down, and they killed some folks right here. So historically, 58.62% of the time, NVIDIA keeps selling off when these come in at this time of day, in this position, with volume, et cetera, et cetera. It didn't happen, right? It didn't happen, and you could have traded it, and you lose your 20% and move on. The interesting thing here is when we get into the final, because what happens? It looks like it's just slowly going up to 129. You haven't had an alert since 1325, and then bam, 1, 2, 3. They tried to take it below 128. They didn't. And Wall Street came in and said, hey, I don't know if they're selling puts, buying calls, whatever. That is incredible bullish flow. And all of these absolutely crush it. When we look at these, I mean, let's find them right here. 132%, 200%, 145%, buying and holding. Win rate, 0%, 30 days, 0%. P-value, 0. Sometimes it's going to happen that way. And I mean, absolutely amazing, incredible stuff. Not something you want to trade all the time, right? But worth a flyer at the end. They tried to take it below 128 again, and 1548 came in. If they don't nuke here, and you're above the blue line during the window, which is like 10:30, 11:30, stay bullish. And if you did that and took this little guy down here, oh man, 7.14%, 5% in the last 30 days. But if you took the trade, 250%, never lower. Absolutely, not absolutely epic, but pretty good. The thing with NVIDIA, now that it's, $100 when it was like 1,000 or whatever before, is it's going to move a little bit differently. We need more data. But this is looking a lot like perfect tags, right? Because every time it nukes, Wall Street comes in and says, hey, I'm buying calls. And if we look at the bears, I mean, this is great. 151%. I mean, this one's also killer, 100%. And you're getting that 1045 in 4 minutes. The one thing I always like to say is when this happens and you see this happen and then, oh my God, all these high win rate bear bombs come in, you have to know you're late here. And the lizards who operate Wall Street love to punish people who are late. And it looks like it's going down, and emotionally you feel like, oh, this is my chance. I'm going to chase it. We're going to get rich. Don't do it. I mean, you're taking that here, and then as soon as it starts going up, you're getting liquidated here. Break even, lose 10%, lose 20%. That's fine. The main thing looking at this on a Friday, if this does not take it lower, you're going higher. And if you traded bull bombs anytime after that, you made money. That's it. That's what it's about.